How to use Chatgpt on mobile. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to access and use Chatgpt on your mobile phone. It's super convenient to have AI assistants right in your pocket, so make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, make sure you have installed the Chatgpt app. If not, then install it from App Store or Google Play Store. Open it. If you already have an OpenAI account, log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Chatgpt interface. Look for the text input area at the bottom of the screen. Type your prompt. Type a question, request, or prompt into the text input area. For example, you could ask, "What is the weather like today?" Or, "Write a short story about a cat." Tap the send button, usually an arrow or a paper airplane icon, to send your prompt to Chatgpt. Chatgpt will generate a response and display it on the screen. You can continue the conversation by typing more prompts or questions into the text input area. Chatgpt will remember the previous context and respond accordingly. If you want to start a new conversation, look for an option to start a new chat. This is often found in the menu, 3 lines or dots. Tap it. From the menu, select New Chat to proceed. Using Chatgpt on mobile requires an internet connection. Be mindful of your data usage, especially if you're on a limited data plan. And that's it! Now you know how to use Chatgpt on your mobile phone. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI and tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.